hapon mga kababayan, kayo po ay nanonood ng kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang pang-araw-araw na produksyon para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Amerika. Malungkot naman po ang mga balitang nagmumula sa Pilipinas. They have been experiencing rains the last how many days, non-stop po ang mga pag-ulan. Kaya naman po pagka ganon, nag-overflow yung mga rivers, mga ilog, yung mga dams, and these are the latest pictures from the Philippines. Ang inyo pong lingkod ay nagsasagawa ng plano kasama si Ted Benito at si Jello Francisco para sa isang prayer rally para po sa ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas, and also relief event na rin po. Tatanggap po kami ng mga donasyon this coming Saturday sa St. Genevieve, at mas marami pa pong detalye ang ihatid namin sa inyo as they firm up. We understand that, when something like this happens, we need to be quick when we respond to these calls, and so that's what we're doing now. And like I said, we're going to be giving you details in the coming days as those firm up for the Saturday events at St. Genevieve. Meanwhile, like I said, welcome to Kababayan LA. Cora is here once again. I always love it when you're here. Very stylish. Cora, of course, we know her from La Face. La Face is this organization of Filipino-American employees in the city of Los Angeles. And this year, you're celebrating, can you believe, 425 years of Philam history here in the U.S. Kamusta, Cora? Welcome to Kababayan LA.
Kamusta? I'm fine.
So 425 years, has it been that long?
It's been that long, yes. 425 years of the contributions of the Filipinos in America. And that's the reason why we're celebrating it in the city of LA.
And that is good, 425 years. And I know the last how many years we saw like people, just kababayans, breaking barriers and just excelling in the different fields, more in entertainment and hopefully in business also coming soon.
Right.
And I think that's what you're doing. This is not just a celebration. You're also recognizing individuals, correct? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, we are accepting nominations for exceptional Filipinos who make contributions to the Filipinos, to our culture here in America. And there's like 14 categories from arts to U.S. military. And it has to be in the accomplishments and achievements should have been in the United States of America. And we have criteria. The criteria might be posthumous awardees, might be citizen or immigrants, but the contributions must be in the United States of America.
Right, of course. And is it in the United States mainstream in general or within the Filipino community?
Within the Filipino community.
Within the Filipinos. So those that are helping or that have helped raise the status of kababayans here in the U.S., correct? We've talked about that before on the show. We always have guests here asking or talking about awards and all that. Why is it that Filipino organizations here in Southern California love to give awards and recognitions to there's accomplished Filipinos, influential Filipinos? Why do you think that is?
Well, awards is something that we treasure, and especially those who has done a lot of contributions to our history. I think it's nice to recognize them. And this award is something that we are giving free to everybody. The criteria is just they should have proven their exceptional contributions to the U.S.
Okay, and when we submit nominations, who may submit nominations?
It's submitted to CoraAragon@AOL.com.
So anyone may submit?
Anybody.
Kung ako gusto kong i-nominate ang tiyuhin ko or ang tiyahin ko, ang kamag-anak ko, ang kaibigan ko, pwede?
Yes.
Okay, but this will be submitted, of course, and collected because there will be a review body, correct?
Yes, we have a panel of judges is going to review the nominations and truly analyze the exceptional contribution that they have made to the Filipinos.
And there are 3 dates to remember. Number 1, the deadline for nominations. When is it?
August 30th, Thursday.
August 30th. So we barely have less than a month to do that. Information on the screen, and that's the email also for nominations. I think you may also download the nomination forms on the website from the website that's on the screen right now. October 2, Tuesday, although I'm sure you may be back before then, that's October 2, what's going to happen?
October 2 is we're going to have a council presentation proclaiming October as the Filipino History Month in Los Angeles.
Wonderful. And October 5, Friday, is the gala event to honor awardees, right?
To honor awardees. And only by invitation only, because we can only accommodate 100 at the Tom Bradley Towers.
Ah, okay. That's where it's going to be held. Okay, well, thank you so much, Cora. I know that we talked about this before as well, that every one of you at LaFace, you're all doing this on a voluntary basis.
Yes,
thank you for your untiring support and service to the Filipino-American community.
Thank you very much. And
More
thank
power
you
to you.
Okay.
All right. More on Kababayan LA when we return. Don't go away.